industry. And I want to start this asking you, because I remember last time we talked, we were talking about the roadmap of the decarbonization of the industry, right? But right now we are seeing a lot of different, let's say, approach. How is this, let's say, roadmap is still available? Or when the new administration started, it is something that is going to be more flexible and we will have different approaches? Oh, or how is the sustainable point of view of the aluminum industry right now?
That's a great question, Julio. And I guess I would answer it in two ways. First, when the industry comes together, and we convene over 70% of the United States industry when we meet as an association, and when the industry gets together and they define their long-term goals and their long-term objections, when they look at their opportunities and their threats, and they develop a plan, that plan should be durable.
Right.
And it is. And what I would say today is that as we look at our major four focuses as an association, they haven't changed. We've always had a major focus on strong and targeted trade enforcement for our industry to address the issues that we see in the world that are detrimental to American manufacturers. So to maintain close relationships with our trading partners, and that hasn't changed, and we will continue to do that. And obviously, that's a major focus right now. But when you look at the other three legs of our work, they're still there and they're still important. So increasing recycling, defining and pursuing our objectives for aluminum as a critical mineral, and then looking for future investment in the expansion of our industry. Those are really the four legs, the four pillars of the work we're doing as an industry, and we're going to continue to do that. But you're right, we are in a time of change, and as the current administration has taken the reins of the government in Washington, D.C., we've seen them move quickly and decisively, mainly in the trade arena for our industry. Pertaining to our industry,
Right.
And we like some of what we see there, but we also have some concerns we have to deal with. So we will continue to navigate that space. And I think that when you look at our long-term goals as an industry, we can't throw everything out just because we're in a time of change. We have to stick to our principles, stick to our goals, and know what it will take to expand this industry into the future.
Right. So having said that, I know that around 80% of the aluminum that we are using in the United States is recyclable aluminum, right? But also I understand that with everything that is happening right now, recyclable is not anymore a must, but more like a lifestyle. So saying that, do you think the aluminum recycling rates are getting up? And we have these government policies pushing in that direction, or we will see more primary aluminum come into the industry and just having like a flat growing, if we can